Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shipman News. Here I am reading only newspaper articles. This is our today article. Does Article 21 include right to digital access? Email Getty. What approach does the Right of Person with Disability (RPWD) Act 2016 take? Why do banks and other financial and government institutions mandate collecting KYC detail? How does the current digital KYC framework exclude visually impaired individual and acid attack survivor? Karthikeya Singh explainer. The story so far. On April 30, the Supreme Court SC directed revisions to Know Your Customer KYC digital norms to ensure accessibility for persons with disability. PWD reinterpreting Article 21 of the Constitution to encompass the right to digital access. What law safeguard right of PWD? The Constitution, through its preamble, fundamental rights and directive principle, along with disability dispute, obligates the state to adapt law, policy, and infrastructure which allow PWDs to exercise their right on par with other, advancing this guarantee and giving effect to the Conventions on the Right of Persons with Disability and UNCRPD. India enacted the Rights of Persons with Disability (RPWD) Act 2016, which adopted a social barrier approach that defines disability as arising from impairments along with physical, mental, intellectual, social, and social obstacle which make the full participation in society difficult. Crucial section 42 of the RPWD Act 2016 mandates government measures to ensure that all audio, print, and electronic media are accessible. That electronic media include audio description, signs language interpretation, and captions, and that everyday electronic goods and equipment follow universal design principle. Are KYC detail mandatory to curb illegal finance and money laundering. The Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 and its 2005 rule mandate every bank and financial institute to verify client identifies, maintain comprehensive record, and report relevant information to the Financial Intelligence Unit. Consequently, digital KYC verification has become indispensable for a wide range of essential services, from opening a bank demat or trading account to assessing SIM card, pension scheme, and insurance policy. It also unlocks government benefit from national scholarship to Aadhaar link direct benefit transfer. Building on the mandate, the RBI 2016 Master Direction on Know Your Customer KYC rule prescribe a customer's due digital di, di, diligence (CDD) framework, and via clause 18 introducing video based customer identification process (VSIP), enabling remote customer verification through secure real-time video interaction. Customers can prove their identity online by clicking a selfie, signing on a paper physically or digitally, printing and rescanning, or clicking a photo of the filled in form, verifying OTP in 30 seconds, and reading a random code flash on the screen. How does it affect PWDs? Acid attack survivor left with permanent facial disfigurement and several eyes burned, and individuals with complete blindness or low vision have filed right petitions seeking direction to respond, including RBI and Department of Telecommunication and SEBI, to devise alternative digital KYC, eKYC, and video KYC method to make remote identity check inclusive for all PWD, as they face significant hurdles under the current framework. Currently, each regulated entity has to devise its own test methods, such as eyes blinking, reading a flashing code, or writing it down and taking a selfie. Exclude blind user despite clear mandate in the 2021 and 2022 Information and Communication Technology (ICT) accessibility standard. Most KYC apps and websites fraud them. There is no screen reader prompt for camera light, no audio cues for lightning or focus, and no way to differentiate document size during upload and upload. Additionally, thumb impression commonly used by visually inspired users are not accepted as valid signature, or nor are PAN card issued with them. Aadhaar-based biometric system Horsen, the inclusion scanner and interfaces lack basic accessibility features such as text-to-speech or self-verification. As a result, blind applications are frequent asked to appear in person or are rejected on vague technical ground. The RBI's master direction also bar any form of promoting during KYC verification, leaving users without assistance. How has the SC intervened? The SC has consistently held that accessibility for PWD is a constitutional imperative. In Rajiv Rathore versus Union of India 2024, it ruled that accessibility is central to the right to life, dignity, and freedom of movement under Article 21. During the COVID-19 vaccination drive, the court emphasized that the digital registration must be fully accessible to prevent exclusion. In the instant case, the top court held that digital very blatantly violate the right of PWD under the UNCRPD and India disability law, anchoring its judgment in the principle of substantive equality. It directed that digital KYC guidance be revised with accessibility at their core. It flagged that the digital divide affect not just PW but rural user, senior citizens, the economically disadvantaged, and linguistic minority. Railing on Article 14, 15, 21, and 38, the court affirmed that the digital access is inseparable from the right to life and liberty. It mandated the state to ensure that all digital infrastructure is accessible, especially for marginalized community. Karthikeya Singh is a lawyer based in New Delhi. The gist: the curb illegal finance and money laundering. The Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 and its 2005 rules mandate every bank and financial institution to verify client identity, maintain a comprehensive record, and report relevant information to the financial intelligence units. Methods such as eye blinking, reading a flashing code, or writing it down, taking a selfie exclude blind user. The C has consistently held that accessibility for PW is constitutional imperative. So guys, this is today's video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Meet you tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.